Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time, Stratford, Ontario, Canada, for StringTech. So I got this J45, just put a fresh set of strings on it. I don't have time to do the full treatment on this compensated nut compensated saddle. I've booked this in for July, but I thought while I had it here, I don't often do this because most people aren't patient enough to sit through a video that shows how a guitar is out of tune. Humor me for a second. 7th fret, 9 cents sharp, here's the octave. Ooh, at 14 cents sharp, here's the 12th fret, 8 cents sharp, open string, and 1st fret. Pretty well 10 cents sharp. A string. Oh, that looks good. Octave. 5 cents sharp. The 12th fret. That's good. Open and 1st fret. Not bad. 3 cents sharp. D string. 7th fret. Pretty good. Couple of cents sharp. It's octave. Whoa! 12 cents flat. 12th fret. 2 cents flat. Open and 1st fret. A couple of cents sharp, not that bad. There's our G, 7th fret. Very good. Octave. Ooh, okay, that's 6 cents flat. The 12th fret. 3 cents flat. Open and 1st fret fretted. 2 cents sharp. 2nd string. Good. It's octave. Ooh, 8 cents flat. Open and 1st fret. 4 cents sharp. And our 1st string. 7th fret. 3 cents sharp. It's octave. 2 cents flat. The 12th fret. 2 cents sharp. And 1st fret fretted. 4 cents sharp. That is why I go to all the trouble to calibrate, and this will need a cantilevered compensated bridge saddle as well as a compensated nut to be able to line up all those discrepancies that you just saw. Later on in this video you will see a 00018 that will go through the same process again, and that one has been booked in for the full treatment. Carlo will be back with this one in July, and we'll line this up for him. We're going to do our initial check on Dave's Martin 00028. Let's have a look where the tuning lies right now before I start anything. Okay, 7th fret. That's about 7 sharp. It's about 9 sharp. 12th fret. 4 sharp. Open we had tuned to, so it's in tune. And then the 1st fret fretted out. It was 6. A string. And 7th fret. Not bad. 2 cents sharp. 2 cents flat. 12th fret. 5 cents sharp. Open again and fretted 1st fret note. 4 cents sharp. D string. 7th fret. 4 cents sharp. It's octave. 5 cents flat. 12th fret. 2 cents flat. Open again and 1st fret. Just a couple of cents sharp. G. 7th. 6 cents sharp. 1 cent flat. 12th fret. 5 cents sharp. And 1st fret fretted note. 3 cents sharp. 7th fret. That's good. Octave. 4 cents flat. 12th fret. 2 cents flat. And 1st fret fretted note. G. Geez, that's good. Okay, first string. 7th fret. 2 cents flat. Yeah, 7 cents flat. 12th fret. 4 cents flat. And 1st fret fretted note. 2 cents sharp. We will be back. Well, I got that 00028 all wrapped up. This is our cantilevered compensated saddle. I did ream out those bridge pin holes and notch them just to tighten up the strings on the focal point of the saddle. I also relocated the battery pack, which was attached to the rosewood back. Relocated it to the side of the head block, and it made a significant difference in sound. These are 11 to 52 strings. So these strings that you gave me, I did go with those initially, but they add an extra 16 pounds tension, Dave. I know you specifically got the shorter scale and lighter strings to make the guitar a little easier to play. So I did end up using those 11 to 52 D'Addario custom lights. Also did a light fret dress and buffed them out. And it's time for the tuning check. I'll just give you one quick glance at that saddle. These are 11 to 52 D'Addario custom lights at concert pitch. We relocated that battery bag from the rosewood back to the top edge of the head block so it doesn't interfere with any resonance. So there is our compensated nut. Once again, concert pitch 11 to 52. So I thought I would change it up this time so I don't have to put you through the whole string to string, fret to fret thing. I'm bringing you in to show you the 5 calibration steps that I took to get this guitar to play this precisely. And of course the chords are going to tell the story. And this was where we started with the compensated nut. You know, you can give me your thoughts on this as far as what you prefer. I can do the string to string thing, or I can just do this calibration list. It's up to you. I can go either way. That was the first stage of calibration, second, third, and finally fourth. So let's have a listen. So here's what I loop. Oh, incidentally, this is the guitar acoustically. I'm not plugged in. I have looped that. I'm going to let that play. Now I am plugged in. Let's strum a few chords just to sort of give you an idea what this sounds like strumming. One of the simplest chord tests that you can do is that garden variety C chord with a G on top. Move it up 2 frets to D, and then move it up to the 8th and 10th for G.